What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review another action suspense thriller movie, The Royal Bengal Tiger. The story revolves around a office worker Abhi, and he's a very down to earth, humble, kind, and he never has courage to fight with people. And he has his wife Apu and his son, and they are living in Kolkata. And they have a tenant also, Prakash ji, and the guy is always sitting around and having party, and he has not been paying the rent for the past 6 months. So though Abhi wife Apu, she is very stiff, she like a housewife, but Abhi always say never mind, he can pay anytime. So he is humble and down to earth. So one day while they are arguing with each other, instead of being kind to them, Prakash ji slapped Abhi. He is silent and he just went to work. But deep down in his heart, it was always there that how can I not fight with all these people? In the office also, he has a tough time. He got promotion, and there is an office worker, Dipankar, and he is envy that why he is getting promoted and I'm not the one who should be. So he messed up with his files, and that's one of the important file, and he kept searching, but his officers in charge said that where is that file. He said I just give it to the PN, but the PN said I don't know where the file is. So all this another group, they are trying to devalue him in front of the boss. And now Abhi has to remake the file. In the night time he make all the file on the computer and goes back home, but the very next day he found out that the file is also missing on the computer. He's tired of all the thing that he has done, and since he cannot fight, so all those people taking him for granted and do whatever they can do. So his boss also get angry at him, and he said that I have to consider why we have given you promotion, and you since you get promoted, you becoming lazy and you're not doing this work. In office, Nandini, his colleague, she has been very helpful also, but he is also very kind to her. And on the way, sometimes the people tease her and he doesn't pay heed to them. He cannot even protect her also. So one day the guys at the platform tease Nandini, and she get into trauma and stay at home. Now Abhi is upset with his life with Prakash ji, the tenant, in the office Dipankar, and Nandini and the people around them. Somehow he got a call from his friend Anjan. He came after a very long time, and he is the medicine of all this problem. And he said that now I'm going to help you fixing all this. And since that Anjan comes and all the problems that he has, he is helping them to get rid of it. And you will find out what is suspense or thriller in this one is, and how he overcome all his barriers, his emotions, and all the hardships that he has faced, and how he can be a leader in his family, and how he overcome all the fears. So kindly like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. If you really enjoy it, just kindly let me know. Bye bye. Okay.